This changes everything. Fed Chair Jerome Powell suggests current conditions may warrant interest rate cuts. Yes, guys, the next FOMC meeting, which is going to be on 17th September, we might finally see a rate cut. And this news, you can see, has boosted the entire market. Dow gains as Fed Chair Powell opened door to rate cut. Not just only Dow, not just only S&P 500, you can see the entire crypto market. So what does this mean? Will Bitcoin continue higher? Because a couple of hours ago, Bitcoin was struggling to maintain this 111, 112,000 support line, and now it is hovering around 116, 117,000. So is it a real reversal which we were waiting for? Because if you look at this price action, when I showed you this rising rate scenario, Bitcoin was hovering around 111, 112,000, and after the news from Fed Jerome Powell, you can see it started rebounding. So if we see a breakout, price of Bitcoin breaking out from this 5.618 Fibonacci line, which I showed you in my previous video, right? We have to overcome this 5.618 Fibonacci line to invalidate a dead cat bounce type of formation. And only after that, we can say this is an actual reversal, a V-shape or a U-shape reversal. But as long as we remain below this 117, 118,000 resistance line, we should not be overly excited. Yes, guys, this news from Jerome Powell has definitely boosted the market, but I still want you to be aware, because at the moment, the 0.618, the 0.5 Fibonacci line is not just only one line which is holding us. Parallelly, even this CryptoAnup indicator and Williams Alligator indicator is acting as resistance. Yes, guys, this is still a bearish cross in Williams Alligator. Every time, whenever the price of Bitcoin started with a bullish move and price was above this trend line, you can see the same trend line acted as support, right? Each and every time during uptrend, this trend line has acted as support, but during downtrend, the price gets rejected on this trend line. So that's why, despite Bitcoin looking bullish, let's wait until this resistance also get broken. Because if you look to the downside, yes, RSI has jumped over 50, but MACD is still bearish. So please, let's not be overly leveraged at this current stage, because along with this CryptoAnup buy sell indicator, Williams Alligator indicator, Fibonacci line, we also have resistance from this rising trend line, which previously acted as a strong line of support. Yes, guys, you can see this trend line acted as a strong line of support, and same trend line at the moment is rejecting us. So what does this mean? You can see along with the resistance from these indicators, Fibonacci line, now we also have to face resistance from this rising trend line. So it is very, very important for Bitcoin to find support above 118,000, or proper support above 118,000, to invalidate all of this bearish continuation. Otherwise, despite things looking bullish, it could still fake out, and that's exactly what we want to avoid. So what I'm trying to pinpoint here is that if Bitcoin breaks out of this 118,000 resistance line, then you can see we are going to see this as a continuation of an uptrend, and price in that case will be heading towards this sell point, because this will be the formation of our base 4. Yes, this will be resulting in another parabolic move, another blow off top type of formation, and only after that an actual reversal. But as long as we remain around this key trend line, I mean below 118,000, we need to be careful. And parallelly, if that resistance gets broken, not just only this parabolic curve pattern will play out, but even this higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern will play out. I mean, if you look at this weekly time frame, you can see higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern will be playing out. So if we want this continuation to play out, just like you guys, I also want Bitcoin to break out, make another new all-time high. We need to break out of this resistance, because parallelly, if we do that, then along with this parabolic curve pattern, along with this weekly continuation, we also have another bullish megaphone pattern lining up for Bitcoin. And once this 118,000 resistance gets broken, you can see even this bullish megaphone pattern will line up perfectly. Yes, guys, a new all-time high will be imminent once we find proper support above 118,000. So please do not over leverage yourself and wait until this key line of resistance gets broken and flipped into support before jumping into any trade. Otherwise, you know, it could still fake out. So let's be realistic and let's use proper risk management strategies. So guys, this was some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please do not hesitate to destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye-bye.